Hey Federico, do you know what is all this digital transformation about? I've been overwhelmed with these words since the beginning of the COVID, and I don't know what they are talking about. Well, to be honest, I was in similar shoes until a few months ago, when I felt an interview for a very large bank. One of the questions was, hey Federico, what is your experience with digital transformation? And I was very confused about these words because I've been building software for a very long time. The interviewer was not able to help me to clarify what she wanted, but my answer was as follows. Well, I've been developing software for such a long time, and when I started my career, I designed two specialized CRMs, one for a dentist and one for an orthopedic, and I helped these organizations to move from the Stone Age with pencils and papers to use computers because they didn't have any IT system in place. The recruiter was not convinced with my answer, and well, I failed the interview. So during the next months, I noticed that some of my connections in LinkedIn, they are saying that they are experts in digital transformation. And I have met some of these people, and they know a lot of things about marketing, about how to bring projects, how to, let's say, migrate operations from one place to another, but I don't associate any of them with IT people. Some of them even ask me, hey Federico, can you help me understand what is machine learning, what is robotic process automation, or what is cloud computing? And I was kind of their coach for a couple of months. So I was a little bit confused. But I found that digital transformation in these days is considered as follows. Digital transformation is the usage of the constant growing technologies to bring a competitive edge to the companies, increase the revenues, increase the efficiency, and most importantly, bring value to them. And I was, okay, it sounds interesting. So I thought in some of the technologies that I have used that have brought value to the companies. Number one, robotic process automation. For the last 3 years, I've been building bots or I've been in this area of automation. So my work has been develop applications that emulate the behavior of people so people can automate their works and minimize those repetitive and boring tasks like writing reports and send thousands of emails, so it can help you to get rid of them. Consider it. And trust me, it's growing a lot. The second one, cloud computing. Cloud computing is the technology that empowers you to work from home. If you have been working from home all these months, you can be sure that this is powered by cloud computing. There are some services like Office 365, let's call it Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud AutoML, and many others that are empowering organizations. The next one, machine learning. Machine learning is that specialized technology that understands all of you, what you're doing, and show you those interesting ads about the product that you want to buy, but you don't want to tell to anyone. So machine learning is used here. Another technology is augmented reality. Those glasses like the Microsoft HoloLens, the Google Cards, and many others that will allow us in the future to even, hey, maybe you're going to be a doctor from home, working from the US, helping a client in Vietnam. The next one, blockchain. Blockchain is a technology for security. It's mostly about safe transactions. Maybe you have heard about Bitcoin. This is a very famous technology. And what else can we do with that? Well, right now, Accenture has a project between the Dutch government and the Canadian government to build a passportless project. So, well, maybe you will think how it's going to be useful, especially in these times. But what I can tell you, there are many technologies that are growing, and this is digital transformation, the usage of these technologies wisely in your business and your operations. And if you want to know more about them, feel free to contact me or share in the comments any other technology that you know, because we need to keep digitally transforming the place and building a better world with technology. See you the next time, and as always, I encourage you to be an agent of change.